So guys, welcome back to another video. It's a new day, and then today we're gonna go put more progress on the cars. Since yesterday the homie finished his, we'll probably do some more work on one of the other cars that's over there in the garage. But right now we're gonna go ride some dirt bikes right now for a little bit, and then after we'll probably head back to the garage and do more work on the cars. But right now I gotta walk to the gas station to go put some gas, because I don't think this has any gas right now. Yeah, it looks pretty empty, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go walk to the 7-Eleven. It's probably like 5 minutes, so it's not that bad. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that right now, and then after I'm gonna go meet up with the homie, and then I don't know where we're gonna ride yet. I'll let you guys know when I get to his house. But I was gonna put the GoPro on the helmet, but it keeps falling off because I don't have the right mount. The mount I have is for the windshield for the cars, or like it's for the cars. It's meant for that. It's not meant for the helmet. So anytime like when I catch some air on the helmet, like where it sticks, it comes off. But I don't want to keep putting it on the helmet and it keeps falling and stuff, because I have to keep checking on it. And I can't really have fun like that, because I have to make sure it didn't fall or anything, you know. But yeah, I'll see if I could put it on. I'll probably put it on just to show you guys the way I go to the homie's house. But if not, then I just pick up the camera when I get to his house. What's up, guys? So I just got to the homie's house. Right now he's trying to fix his bike. He's trying to do clean the carburetor real quick. But yeah, I just got here, so show you guys his bike real quick. So right now he's gonna try to fix that, and then after we're gonna go ride to the park, and then after that we're gonna come back to the garage and start taking off my swap. But yeah, if anything, I'm gonna try to look for some cams right now since he's trying to fix his bike, just so that way I won't have to degrade my motor. I'm gonna just run like probably stock GSR cams or something, so I don't have to like get my motor degreed, just so I could get the swap in and then tow my hatch to my house, and then I could do the rest over there, which is like the hood and all that. Just paint it and then put it back on, and then once I save more money, I'll go get my car dynoed. The homie just finished with the bike, so right now I'm gonna wait for him to come out the gate, and then I already set it up the sticky shit to the helmet. Hopefully it doesn't come off, but we'll see, because it's already all scratched up. But we'll see. So I'm gonna just put the GoPro on that and then get everything that we need. I got my screwdrivers, drink, and then yeah, we should be good to go. So we're gonna head to the park, and then we're gonna probably be there for like a good minute, and then after we're gonna come back. I'm not trying to be there too long, probably like an hour or so. But here to there is probably like 10 minutes on the bike. But yeah, we should be good to go.
all being scared.
What? There you go. How you gonna make it?
Almost.
You almost ain't sure right there.
Huh?
You almost ain't sure right there. Oh, boys. You shoot. Go. Give it gas. Give it gas. Walk it. Give it gas and go. Go. You're gonna try to go up this hill. I almost ate shit on the other one. Alright, go down and jump. Let's say 11.
You got faster?
Which way?
Whatever goes through like the lake.
Yeah, we passed her. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah, look, I got no blinkers. Look. Ready? Running.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now hold it. Hold it. So guys, we just got back to the garage. It's really hot outside today. I felt like I was gonna pass out when I was riding the bike because the helmet, and I was wearing like the ski mask too, so it felt pretty hot. But this is Juanito out here trying to do wheelies and shit. Probably gonna eat shit later. But nah, it was cool riding the bikes, but it was just too hot. So I just wanted to come back to the garage and go to the 7-Eleven, get some drinks, and then chill, and then get to working on the car. So I'm probably just gonna get something to drink real quick and then start working on the cars. So now I'm gonna put it in the clutch. This is the clutch I was using. Pretty good. So I'm gonna assemble that right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Just putting the bolts back on. Should be good to go.
Your leg. Así. Compare like I don't like if I'm right here. If I'm right here, it's already tight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's gonna spin easily. Look. You see? It's like if I'm going like this around the whole thing. You gotta start from like across that shit. Push down. And go. A different one?
And I was using that one.
Oh. Just hella dirty, fool. Like everywhere is gunky.
Maybe that's why I couldn't stop.
It's probably all the brake fluid that was leaking. Just built up. During time. Oh, nigga. Rest of that bitch.
They're Golden Eagle, huh?
Yep. Okay. You ripping, right?
These are stage 2 skunk tail cams for sale. Let me know. $550 or $500. They're like barely used. Where is it at? I think this one. Yeah, let me know.
Nigga gonna be choppy?
Hell yeah.
You have to do oil change quick though, cause this shit has a lot of little like dust debris in there and shit. Look a little heat cycle, mob it, whatever, you know, dyno it, and after the dyno.
Oil change?
Oil change, yeah. I believe I forgot that tool for the Bowlash. Well, fuck it, I'll just Bowlash my sedan tonight. One of you. It's too long way. Yeah, you're gonna have to change that. This one does look like it's the right one.
Alright, so. Ready?
Tie yourself with these holes from up here. Lift up a bit. Push it, push it, push it. Really up and down, push.
So I just got home from the garage. We're trying to put the transmission in, but we're having trouble. So I was trying to get that, I forget what's that one thing called, but it's like where you put it inside the clutch to see if, to make it like hold still. And I tried it on my other stock clutch and it fit, but when we were trying to put the transmission together to the motor, it wasn't like, it was hitting something, so we weren't able to like put it in. But I was thinking maybe I got the wrong clutch, but I don't know yet. but it was getting too late, so figured we'll just leave it like that, and tomorrow we'll get back to it. But that's pretty much it. I just need to put the tranny back into the motor, and then after that, what else do we need? I just gotta, I just gotta do the valve lash, and then after that it should be good to go. But the motor's almost out from the hatch. I just need we just didn't want to take it off too, because it was gonna take too much space. So when we go back to the garage, we're gonna drop it, have the motor complete, just so everything will be smooth, just so we don't have a mess going around. But it should be good though. But right now I'm gonna just take a shower, eat, and then go to bed, because I work tomorrow. If I don't get off from work tomorrow too late, then we'll get back into it. But if not, we'll probably do Saturday. If not Saturday, until next week. But for now, I'm gonna get some rest, 'cause I'm still kind of sick, but it's just my nose now. Everything else is good. But yeah, so if you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget to watch the video that I uploaded 2 days ago. If you guys haven't watched that, go watch that. But yeah, it was a good video too. It was us fixing the homie sedan. But other than that, today went pretty smooth, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.